Suriname's jungles are alive with the calls of animals. But getting close enough for a glimpse is tricky.
There are many animals using this river as their essential means of transport and fuel and fluid. So, fingers crossed, today's the day that we see something really cool.
Canoes are key to spotting wildlife. They glide so silently through the water, the animals can't hear you coming.
One of the most amazing things about Suriname is the butterflies, and particularly these. They're called sulphurs, and all of these are males. They come down to the riverside because there are minerals in the clay alongside the river, and they're lapping those up to give them the energy they need for reproduction. Red howler monkeys.
Howler monkeys are considered to have the loudest call of any land mammal. It's used to keep rivals off their patch and warn of danger.
And that really is one of the sounds of this rainforest. Just that. It travels for miles across the rainforest canopy.
Even with all your senses on high alert, this jungle still takes you by surprise.
Whoa! Green iguanas absolutely scare the living daylights out of you.
There's one iconic call I wasn't expecting to hear.
Just this morning I was saying the howler monkeys have one thing to fear, it's a harpy eagle. There's one right there. You never see them this clearly. This is arguably the biggest, heaviest, most powerful eagle in the world. Wow.
On land, it's almost impossible to move without making noise. Most animals scarper. Some stand their ground and give you a robust telling off.
There's a caracara, bird of prey, up above us, looking down disapprovingly and shouting. Yep, we get the message. Enough already.
Once you've got your eye in, you can spot even the jungle's most secretive hunters.
Whoa, that is an absolute beauty. This is what's called a tiger rat snake. The coloration is really interesting because when he's out in the open like this, he just looks really brightly coloured and he really stands out against the background. But actually, this coloration works really, really well because you can imagine bright sunlight coming down through slats of branches and leaves creates pools and slats of dark and yellow light. And against that, actually these colours work as a kind of camouflage. Okay, let's let him go.
Home to nearly 200 species of mammals and 800 birds, this is one of the largest tracts of pristine jungle in the world. Keeping it protected is crucial for the future health of our planet.